Welcome to Crochetsmash. Today's tutorial is about making a baby beanie using shell stitch and in a zigzag pattern. Let us start making a magic circle just like this. Then insert the hook, yarn over and make one chain. Then make two more to start making it as a double crochet. Then we are going to make 9 double crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So including this chain 3, we have 10 double crochet into the magic circle. So slip stitch the top of it. That's round 1. The next stitch we are going to increase 2 stitches in every double crochet, so it will be 20 double crochet in this round. I'm going to use the same color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make 20 double crochet in this round. This is round 2. 19, 20, and we slip stitch the top of the chain 3. Now let us cut the yarn. And attach the next color. Actually, you can attach the next color in any of the double crochet. This is round 3. So we are going to make, this is also an increasing round. So every second DC we are going to increase. So this is chain 3 to start with, and in the second one we are going to increase. So it is 2 double crochet. Next one, just 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet. You can see that in the beginning I left a long yarn tail and I'm stitching on top of it, and also this yarn tail from the yellow I'm going to hold it right here and then continue to stitch on top of it. So by the end of this round you have 30 double crochet. 1, the next one 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Complete this row and you will have 30 double crochets. Now we finished the third round and with the 30 stitches. And we will do the slip stitch to the next one, so it will not be staggering on top of each other and will not give that joining seam like thing going on. So the fourth line, fourth row, chain 3, and that is a 1 double crochet. Then we put 1 more double crochet in the next stitch. Then the next one is like 2 double crochet. See, the pattern is 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next double crochet. So we are increasing on the third stitch.
So after when this round is completed, we will have 40 double crochet.
So now finished the fourth row with the 40 double crochet, slip stitch to the top of the row. Now we can start making the shell stitch. Before that, let us cut the yarn for this row and join the new yarn so you can see it better how I'm going to do it. Attach the yellow yarn for this row. Thread chain and one double crochet in the same stitch. Now we are going to skip 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th stitch we are going to make a shell stitch. Shell stitch is 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next skip next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th one we make another cluster of 5 double crochet or 1 shell stitch. Again skip the next 4 stitches and make another shell on the 5th one. Repeat the pattern and we'll meet again. Now we are almost finished the row 5. So this shell stitch and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the 5th we can see that I already started making 2 double crochet, including that one line of chain 3. So make 3 more double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch to the top of the chain 3, the 3rd chain here. Okay, there we go. No, okay, I got it. This top of the chain 3, slip stitch. Now you can see that it's curling downwards. Slip stitch to the next one, and you can see that there is a 4 DCs. So the middle one, 2 in this side and 2 in this side, we make single crochet. Hope you see it. I'll do it one more time. We reached with a single slip stitch to here, then we are going in the middle, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. 1 single crochet is made. It is a long single crochet. Then we make chain 2 to give the height. Then we make a double crochet in the same space. You can see that it is in the space between these brown DCs, which we skipped in the previous row. So it is here. Then we move to here. We are not going to make it here. We are going to make it below this one. See, not here, but we are going to make it here. Double crochet. We are going to make shell stitch, so it is like a 5 double crochet. 1 2 sorry 1 2 3 4 and 5. Goes like this. Show you one more time. Go in the middle like this, not like yarn over. Just insert the hook in the middle. Oh no, not like that. You can do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook in the middle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through. Easy. This and this. So make shell stitch. Five. That's a little bit different than making a regular shell stitch, because we are placing the hook one row below to make the shell stitch. That's how we get that nice baby shape. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and again the same space. Here we finished and slip stitch to the next stitch. Now we go and do a 1 single crochet, then single crochet in every stitch. Cut the yarn and lock the stitch in place. You can weave the end. I'm pretty happy with this design. This gives that a scallop edge, and the single crochet will give that a finished edge look. So see you next time with a different pattern. Till then, bye.